Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Pasquini Livia G4. It came in for a general tune-up. We found out that it needed a replacement combo valve. So after descaling and changing the gaskets, we replaced the combo valve. This is the old one. There was some scale buildup inside of this combo valve. So we also, as part of the tune-up, replaced the shower screen and the old gasket. You could actually see it just breaks apart like that, so it was pretty old.